Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the alveolar sound. And what is an alveolar sound? They are speak producing when the tip of the tongue touch the alveolar ridge. Phonemes like t and t are both oral, alveolar, and stop, but the difference is only in voicing.
This is easy.
Is voiced and t
T, 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 t.
is voiceless. A tip for non-vowel sound like American is to put a paper in front of your mouth like this.
The paper needs to move. Peter, Peter, Peter. Where are your papers? Come on. I don't want to be the only one. Try it. So you go Peter, Peter, Peter. Yeah. This is very English.
Bubble, bubble gum, bubbles double. Bubble, bubble gum, bubbles double.
Phonemes like and are both voiced bilabial and consonant, but the difference is only in the vowel. A sound can be oral or nasal. According to the cavity the air goes out through. Is nasal. The balloon is lowered and the air goes out through the nose and the oral cavity. On the contrary, is an oral sound is pronounced when the balloon is raised to close the nasal passages and the air goes through the vocal cavity. Okay, now practice with Nicholas in another tongue twister to understand the song and then listen to the summary of all alveolar sounds together.
I love where I live, so I don't want to leave. I love where I live, so I don't want to leave.
Adam, city, Betty, Adam, Friday, body, nostril, naive, northern, metal, battle, little.
Yeah, and keep watching the other consonant and vowel videos. To learn more, see our page and nation in the description box. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.